Hey guys, welcome back to my channel 95 Crypto. In this channel, it's all about sharing my crypto investment journey. Uh, I've taken a bold leap of investing 95% of my income into cryptocurrencies. Uh, I've been in crypto since 2016, having purchased Ethereum at around $100. I couldn't sell it in the bull market, in 2021 bull market, and yeah, so after that, uh, I've decided to invest 95% of my income into cryptocurrencies for a couple of years. So I've started researching a lot about crypto projects since then, and yeah. So also I didn't take this decision of investing 95% of my income. Uh, the decision wasn't made lightly. It is a personal challenge and an experiment that I'm embarking on, and I wanted to take you all along for a roller coaster ride. So the last time when we have, let's look at our portfolio once. Yeah. So I've uploaded a video before 2 weeks. So the last time when I've uploaded video, my portfolio was around like 174,000. And let's look at the portfolio now. Let me refresh this page. And yeah, so at some point portfolio peaked from 20 from more than it was around, portfolio peaked to $204,000, and then it did go to like 160 or $150,000 at some point. Yeah, so in this channel, I'll explain the strategies that I'm employing, cryptos that I'm investing in, and most importantly, I'll also share the lessons I learned along the way. Like, it could be success, failures, and everything in between. Like, so if you're as intrigued as I am about the potential of crypto, or if you're just curious to see how this journey unfolds, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you won't miss a single updates. So the topic for today's video is about Ondo finance. So let me, yeah. So regarding Ondo finance, this project is basically about real world assets. BlackRock slash Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, is also speaking about bringing traditional assets on chain and real world assets and things like that. So Ondo Finance is working on the same concept, the same thing, and they already have US treasuries on chain, and I believe they are working on bringing US money markets on chain, like as it says coming soon. So they say they are institutional grade finance now on chain. So they are backed by some of the best investors like Coinbase. This project is also launched. This token Ondo is also available on Coinbase exchange and backed by Pantera and Founders Fund. Yeah, Coinbase and Pantera are some of the well-known venture capital funds, so they're backing the project. And BlackRock, yeah, it says the funds invest exclusively into multi-billion-dollar highly liquid exchange-traded funds managed by world pioneers. So they did conduct many third-party security audits on the smart contract, and they also have experienced leadership team, like their founder Nathan. He's ex Goldman Sachs employee, and then he worked on digital currencies and stuff like that when he was during his tenure at Goldman Sachs before starting Ondo Finance. Yeah. They also have people from Maker and Bridgewater Millennium. Basically, the project is based on Flux Protocol. Flux Protocol itself is a fork of uh, Flux is a fork of uh, MakerDAO, I believe. Not MakerDAO. Flux is a let me recall. I don't know. Maybe will go through the documentation. And they are available. The tokens are available on 3 chains: Solana. As of today, they are available on Solana, Polygon, and Ethereum chain. And the US treasuries are available on these 3 chains. And the US dollar yield, they are on Solana, Mantle, and then Ethereum. So coming to their team, let's look at the founder. Yeah, it's already here. Yeah, the founder Nathan. He studied. He has did his masters from Stanford University, and then before starting Ondo Finance in 21, he worked at Goldman Sachs as a digital assets focusing on creating cryptocurrency market services for institutional investors using blockchain infrastructure to decentralize traditional securities, insurance, and trading. Yeah, and also one of the president and CEO, even he is an ex Goldman Sachs employee, and this guy Justin is the Justin. He worked as head of digital asset markets. So also Justin, he studied in MIT. Yeah, a pretty good background, I would say. At least for someone who is looking into investing in the project and stuff like that. Yeah. So also one of the important, at least one of the important factor why I'm looking at Ondo Finances, according to one of the blog posts that is published on Ondo Finance, they say there is over 867 trillion in traditional finance assets. So just to give you context, the total market cap of crypto is around 1.84 trillion dollars, and the total traditional financial assets are around 867 trillion. At least if they can try to pull in I would say 3 or 4%, the project would benefit a lot with that. Yeah. So initially during 2014, it was Tether who started. Tether was introduced in 2014, and it was the first large-scale attempt to connect a widely traded traditional assets. At that point, as we speak even now, usually we convert fiat currencies to USDT or USDC and then use that to purchase crypto assets. So similarly, Ondo Finance, they are focusing on bringing in traditional assets like US treasuries and money markets on chain. And coming to their GitHub page, I don't see a lot of changes being pushed to their GitHub profile. Not sure if they're working privately or if those repos are made private, but I don't personally focus a lot on this one. So just to give you some context, or I thought I look at this, and yeah. Apart from that, there yeah, as we've discussed, like the US dollar yield is available on Ethereum, Polygon, and Solana. No, US dollar yield is on Ethereum, Mantle, and Solana, and this one, US Treasuries are on Ethereum, Polygon, and Solana. These are their addresses and yeah, contact addresses. So apart from this, yeah, the current price of Ondo is around like uh, 25 cents, and apart from that, at least for next 339 days there are no token unlocks, and that is one of the main reason why I thought of investing in Ondo, at least for a short time span. Also, the maximum supply of Ondo token is 10 billion, and there are no token unlocks for next 339 days. And also, one more important thing is that they have cliff unlocks and not linear unlocks, and the 10 billion tokens would be unlocked by Jan 2029. They have token unlocks in January of every year, like 2025, 26, 27, 28, 29. So I I don't think people would dump, or I'm not sure, but because because the private sales, because people who have purchased their tokens on private sales, their tokens would be vested in cliff unlocks. So so I don't so there are not many tokens to dump into the market. Yeah. So I will most probably I'll try to invest, like I try to buy like 19 to 20,000 tokens to see where this takes. Yeah. There is not much of data on coin market cap as well to analyze charts or things like that. Maybe I'll 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 place some. I say there is some support at 24 cents. There is not much of difference between 24 cents and 25 cents.